All right, grade 3. Today, we're going to be looking at 3D objects again. This page here is very important. This page gives you lots of information about the different objects. And then talk about prisms, how they have 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. The pyramid has 4 faces, 4 vertices, 6 edges. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. And this pyramid over here has 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. These two pyramids are a bit different. One of them has a square face at the bottom, and I think I have one here. Yes, I do. So this is the one that they're looking at. So this is this guy over here. I'll put him right here. And this pyramid, I don't know if I have one of those here. Maybe I do. Yes, I do. So this pyramid is a triangular pyramid, I guess, because it has a triangle at the bottom. This one has a square at the bottom. So it has a square face at the bottom. This one has a triangle face at the bottom. So that's why they have different amounts of vertices and different amounts of edges, but they're both called pyramids. So you got the square pyramid and triangular pyramid, okay? All right, they've sorted some of the objects down here. They've made a rule. They said, oh, objects with 6 faces get to be in this group over here. So they chose the rectangular prism and the cube. They both have 6 faces. They got to be in this group right here, okay? And then they said over here, objects with fewer than 6 faces. So they chose the triangular pyramid and the square pyramid because they have fewer, less than 6 faces. So that's how they got to be in this group over here. Okay, now today's questions. Question 1. Use models when they help. Now, unfortunately for you, you don't have these wooden models that we would normally use at school. Maybe you have stuff in your house that looks like some of these shapes. Question A. Sort the objects below using each sorting rule. Use the letters to record your sorting. Okay, so for question 1A, objects with 6 faces and objects with 0 vertices. So you're going to look at these guys, and on your paper, you're going to write question 1A. I would say 6 faces, 0 vertices. Kind of make a little chart, okay? 6 faces. Who has 6 faces on here? Well, a cone only has 1 face, so no. This guy, I have to use my imagination to see how many faces it has. 1 here, 1 on the other side, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this one has 8 faces, so nope. Sphere, no faces. Cylinder only has 2 faces. This box, this rectangular prism, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aha, this one does. So I would write down G. Who else has 6 faces? The cube does. Cube is B. Who else has 6 faces? This box over here, this rectangular prism, A. A has 6 faces. And this guy, they have the triangular prism. Does it have 6 faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. So these are the only ones with 6 faces. Now, who's got 0 vertices? Who's got 0 pointy corners? D doesn't have any. Who else doesn't have any pointy corners? C doesn't have any pointy corners. everybody else has at least one pointy corner. Okay, so those are the only ones for 1A. So I did it for you. I did question 1A for you. Easy peasy. Then you're going to do question 1B. Make a new chart. 12 edges. So it has to have 12 edges. And objects with fewer than 6 vertices. So objects with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0 vertices. Those are the corners. So fewer than 6 vertices. So fewer than 6 vertices, okay? So you go ahead, sort it out. Who fits in here? 12 edges. Who fits in here? Fewer than 6 vertices, okay? And then do C. Make another chart with objects with more than 6 edges, and then objects with fewer than 5 faces. Okay, question 2. Norman sorted these objects. Write the sorting rule. So Norman took these 4 objects and he put 2 over here and he put 2 over here. What rule did he make for these guys? And what rule did he make for these guys? That's what you have to tell me. Question 3. Use the objects from question 1. These objects right here. Sort the objects. Write the sorting rule. You get to make a rule this time. Sorting the objects out. So just like we had done for question 1, where we sorted the objects, you're going to make up your own rule and then write down which letters fit under it. But you can't reuse these rules. 3B, sort the objects again. Write the new sorting rule. Do it again. All right. Okay. Good luck with that. Let me know if you have any questions.